Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, we will populate this list into our application to fulfill this. So what we need to do, first of all we need to check the model. So we have the menu links model. So if we will execute this query, we have links ID, so we need to check that it is available here, links ID. We need menu lock name, so you have to check the name, which is the location. So links ID location, here we need the location attribute. Okay, it's executing, make it pause. Now add location attribute here, and we need links name and URL. So here links name and URL. Okay, so the model is ready. Now what we need to do, go to the controller, and we need the list here. Here is the list. Okay, so now copy this. If you don't get this list understanding, you can view my previous video tutorials in which I have clearly defined how to create these lists. Okay, so here is the links menu data list JSON. Okay, so here we have, now we will pass the store procedure filter ID here. Okay, and from here we are getting the data menu. Here is the menu location model, we don't need this. We need model links. Okay, we need this. We will create its object as model and use its another object and pass value in this model. Now here we have the if you want to insert some specific data, you have to use the specific indexes, such as on the 0 index. Here you can see on the 0 index we have links ID, so we have to use links ID on the 0 index. Okay, and we don't need to use this. Okay, this is a reader object. Dot to, okay, we can use integer dot by this we can convert this value into int. Okay, now we have the location on the index 1, so this is 0 1. Now name and URL, so 2 is the name and 3 is the URL. So here we have obj name and URL. So it's get feeded. Let's save it, and And now what we will do, we will execute this link in browser. So go to here and execute this. Now it is get executed, and we need to hit this URL simply to check that it is working or not. So here we get the record, it's mean it's working. Now what we need to do, we need to use this URL in the links part, and here what we will do, we will use the data tables. So here there will be the settings of data tables. Okay, it's not available here. We can look forward in this. Okay, when it's ready, oh yeah, we got. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to simply we can apply this, or we can also use the data tables according to the requirements which we have. So right now we have solution here to render straightforward with the static HTML. For that I will use this AJAX call and come here, and here what I will do, I will use this call like this. Okay, and replace the URL here. Now we have to see how much columns we have. We have one, here we can see 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 for actions. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and we need here 4, 5. Now we to replace the attributes name, such as here we can see, here will be the links location, then links name, and links URL, and it will be rendered in here. We need to add somebody, so I will say menu link. We need to add this class here. Okay, now let's refresh the page and see how it's work. And here you can see that we have these records available. Now in the next video tutorial we will move onward to the editing and deleting part of this menu links feature. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.